You might want to scan through duplicate photos and may want to delete them as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicate photos on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first off, we may want to go to our settings app, click on general, and click on software update right here. So what we're going to check is we should be updated to the latest iOS version, and you should be at iOS 16 and above because this feature will only work on this software version. So once you have made sure of that, let's go to the Photos app and make sure that you are in the album section. And once you are on this page, let's just scroll to the very bottom of this page, and under the Utilities section, you should be able to see the duplicates option right below the imports option. So tap on duplicates, and from here you are able to see your duplicate photos as well as your duplicate videos. So on my iPhone, I have 149 photos that have duplicates. So duplicates are classified both as exact copies that may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be the same but may have unique resolutions, file formats, or other slight differences. So you can scroll through this list and check if they are really duplicates, and if they are, you can opt to merge them right here and click on merge to exact copy. So what this will basically do is merge them and will only keep one copy of that image on your iPhone and will help in saving storage. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.